What's up, y'all? Today we're playing some more Block Blast. It's episode 2, so we're gonna do 3 rounds. Let's get started. Adventure. This is a hard level, apparently. Last episode we saw that the next level would be hard, so here we go. Ooh, okay, we have to get 28 diamonds, 26 stars, and 26 rubies. Let's get started. That was easy. Easy first point. This will get me diamonds if I break some good blocks. Boom! Put that right there. Put that right there. And that right there. Check this play out. This is about to get me so many rewards. Boom! Let's go. Dude, if I somehow clear this row, that's like 4 trillion diamonds. Boom. Bang. And boom. Great. Did it again. How is this a hard level? I'm loving this. I did not mean to do that. I mean, it still worked out though. I guess it's right there. Boom. Boom. This would go right there. Bang! Bang. Bang. This would go here. This would go boom. No! Revive. I wanted to revive. Oh. What? Dude, I just got... Dude, what the heck is this ad? We're gonna keep going here. So close. I watched an ad for nothing.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Man. Let's try this again. Boom. 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 Bang. That fits in there perfectly. Sure, right there. Oh, look at this clean row that I'm about to destroy. Bang! Ruby farm. Oh my gosh. I did not want to put that there. That would have been here. Would have given me so many rewards. Okay, I got another chance. Bang!
Excellent.
Easy work. Give me those rewards. Well, this is such a fun game. Maybe this level is a little hard. I'm gonna go boom, boom. Rubies and diamonds done. That's the first one completed of the day. Let's go. Alright, now we this is level 6. This looks decently easy. Where should I put this? Try that. Boom. That's pretty good. Boom. Good. I like this guy. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Ooh, right here. Free diamonds. That is not where I meant to put that. I'm getting so unbelievably angry. Whoa! Okay, wait. Let me do a recap. 34 diamonds, 33 rubies, and 37... I'm not sure what that is. It looks like maybe pink stone. I'm just gonna call it pink stone. Bang. A bang. And, ooh. Hold up. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do this. Boom. Then I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna do this, baby.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. No. Yeah. Bruh. Let's go there. Let's go there. Boom. 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 Boom! Yet again.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Oh, I left a 1 space. That was buns. Man, I'm kind of selling. Which one will be better? This one give me more rewards. Yeah, definitely. Dang, I'm cooking. Boom. That's right, son. Hold up, BRB. Alrighty. Where are we gonna put this thing? Right here. This is about to be an epic play. Watch this.
Excellent.
Yep, I know you saw that. Whew. Boom. Bang. This is a perfect spot. Check out this. Oh, I'm about to die. Alright, I need 3 rubies left. How am I gonna break the rubies? Really? I just broke the pink things. No, let me break the rubies. Oh, I did break rubies. Let's go. What the hell? Okay, so for some reason, I got this weird ad, and I was just glitching out. Oh, okay. Thank goodness. I'm safe. I thought I had to restart or something. Alright, but now it's time for the last level of the day. I'm gonna wrap it up after this. Check this out, play. Boom. 22 topaz, 20 diamonds, and 19 sparkle gems. I found a new name for them. Sparkle gems. Boom! That's some topaz right there. Some diamonds. Let's put this right here. Right there. I'm very close to not making it out of this one. Let's go. Let's go! I'm cooking. I have 8 sparkly gems left and 12 diamonds and topaz. Put that right there. I'll put this right here. Bang. Boom. Oh, I thought I was out of room for that. Oh no, I'm running.
Great.
Let's go. I just cooked. Let's go. Boom and boom. Alright, I literally just got the topaz and sparkly gems done at the same time. Now I have 3 diamonds left. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Okay, I got it. Good. He said good. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Have a lucky day.